Welcome to my channel. We're talking about angle of elevation and depression. Let's say trigonometric um, um, topic. If I have a tree, this is the base of the tree. And a man is standing on the tree. And there's a boy here. A boy here. Boy. And a man. The tree. The man is looking down. The man is looking down to the boy. Of course, here's the horizontal. The angle here, let's say, is theta. We call it angle of depression. At this point, the horizontal to the boy's eyes. Now this angle is called, say, if I say this is theta 1 and this is theta 2, here we have angle of elevation. An angle of elevation and depression here is equal because they are alternate angles. So theta 1 is always equals to theta 2 because they are alternate angles. So depression, elevation. So elevation, depression. So when it's looking down, the angle is looking down at is the angle of depression. If it's looking up, it's the angle of elevation. Thank you. Meet you next time.